Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dhanesh here. Today I am going to discuss about permutation and combination. Permutation and combination. This is very important from a machine learning perspective. We have to use it in statistics and probability, and we need to use it in different machine learning algorithms. So permutation combination, it's an important topic. Let me talk about permutation first. We will discuss permutation. Permutation means a selection of objects in which order of the object matters. Order is important. That is the main difference. For combination, the order is not at all important. So permutation is a type of selection of objects in which order of the object matters. For example, a simple example I can give to you: the different ways in which the alphabets ABC can be grouped together, taken all at a time. Once again, I am repeating the example. This is the permutation. The different ways in which the alphabets A, B, C can be grouped together, taken all at a time. Then you can group it in different way. We are taking all at a time means all three we are taking. Then it can be ABC, it can be ACB, it can be BCA, it can be CBA, it can be CAB, it can be BAC. Like this, we can group it in different way. Right, because here the order is very important, so that's why we can group it like ABC and ACB and BCA. All are different. That is in the case of permutation. This is the case with permutation. The order is very important, and when we change the order, we will get a new permutation. So that's the case with permutation. The formula for permutation, it is equal to NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. See, it is the permutation of r objects. It is the permutation of r objects taken from a set of n. So that is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. That is the permutation. So this is the formula for permutation here. In this case also you can apply. So here you got the answer. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the maximum ways you can do it, right? See, if we are calculating this, so factorials, we have a separate video. You can see it for factorial. For example, if it is 5 factorial means it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. If it is 4 factorial means it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This is the meaning. The 0 factorial is 1. 1 factorial is 1. Factorial, See, based on that, I am going to do it. See, you can see here n factorial. See, here the total elements in the set. In this set, it is 3. So, 3 factorial divided by n minus r. We are taking all at a time. So, here n is equal to 3 and r is equal to also 3. If we are taking 2 at a time means then r is equal to 2. Here in the question I have given taken all at a time. That's why r is equal to 3. If you are taking 2 at a time from this, then r will be 2. So here taken all at a time, then n factorial divided by n minus 3, that is 3 minus 3 factorial. That is, you can write it as it is 3 factorial 3 factorial divided by 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 divided by 0 factorial 1, that is 6. So that's why we got the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the concept of permutation. Okay, I will give you one more question for permutation, then you will get more clarity. The question is, how many words can be formed? This is the question. How many words can be formed by using three letters from the word Delhi? So you have the word Delhi, Delhi. How many words can be formed by using three letters? You can use three letters from the word Delhi. Then what we will use here, we have to use permutation, because the words, when the order changes, the words are changing, so we have to use permutation. It's obvious. So the number of words will be the total letters. It is 1 2 3 4 5 permutation. How many letters we are choosing? Three letters, so it is 5p3. So it would be 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial, that is, it is 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Then it is, you can write it as 1 into 2, it is cancelled, then it is 3 into 4 into 5, that is equal to 60. 60 is the answer. So that's all about permutation. Now I will get into the combination. So what is combination? A selection of objects in which order of the objects doesn't matter, that is combination. I am talking about combination. Here order is not important. In permutation, the order is very important, in which order of the objects doesn't matter. The number of possible combination of R objects from a set of N objects, that is the combination, we call it as NCR. For permutation, it is NPR. The number of possible permutations of R objects from a set of N objects, it was NPR. You know NPR, it is N factorial divided by, it is N minus R factorial. This you know. Now I am talking about combination. The formula for combination is the number of possible combination of R objects from a set of N objects is, it is NCR equal to N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial. This is the formula. NCR is equal to N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial. This is the formula. So now by using this, even first I will give the same example. I can tell you for the letters. See, we have taken the letters A, B, C. What is the combination we will get taking all at a time, taking three at a time? What is the combination? Only one combination, right? That is ABC. Because here the order doesn't, even though we are writing it as BAC, it's only one combination. Here order doesn't matter. So the answer, it is 1. So we will calculate NCR by using that formula. We need to get the answer as 1. So that is N factorial. Here what is N? N is equal to 3. What is R here? R is taking all at a time. That means R is also 3. Then the formula is NCR, N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Then what would be N factorial? 3 factorial divided by N minus R. That is 3 minus 3. 0 factorial into again R factorial. That is 3 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. That is, this 3 factorial and 3 factorial cancel. 0 factorial is 1. Finally 1. That's why the combination is 1. So you understood that. Now I will give you one more question related to combination. The question is, in how many ways can we select a team of 4 students from a given choice of 15? The total number of students is 15. You need to form a team of 4 students. 4 students. If you need to form a team of 4 students from a total of 15 students, how many ways can we select a team of 4 students from a given choice of 15? Here we use permutation or combination? We need to use combination, because in a team the order doesn't matter. All right, so we have to use combination. So here the number of teams we can form with 4 members from 15 groups is it is 15 is NC4, right? 15 C4, because our formula is NCR. Here n is 15, and R is 4. 4 members team we are forming. So the formula is, NCR is n factorial divided by R factorial into in minus R factorial. So here again 15 factorial divided by R factorial means it's 4 factorial into n minus R factorial means it's 11 factorial. Then 15 factorial by 11 factorial. 11 factorial will be up to 1 into 2 into 3 into up to 11. That will be cancelled with 15 factorial, and remaining things should be 12 into 13 into 14 into 15, the whole divided by again 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This how I have written is 11 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into up to 11. 15 factorial means it is 1 into 2 into 3 up to 15. So 11 and 15 it's cancelled, and remaining should be 12 into 13 into 14 into 15. Here 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. When you calculate, you will get 1365. So this is the answer. So that's all about permutation and combination. So we thanks for watching. We have many videos related to machine learning, deep learning, statistics, maths, supervised machine learning algorithms. So please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.